Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson I'm going to teach you how I play Dez Dickerson's guitar solo in Little Red Corvette by Prince on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E. We'll start our solo by going to fret 9 on the B and high E strings, and we'll play this. That's down, up, down, mimicking the lyrics, Little Red Corvette. Little Red Corvette. Like that. Next we'll play this. For that part, we did this. We're starting at fret 5 on the G string, sliding to fret 6. Then we'll go to fret 7 on the B string, 6, 7, 6. Next we'll play this. In order to play that, we're going to start on the D string, fret 6, and play it and hammer on to fret 8. Then we'll go to fret 6 on the G string, fret 7 on the B string, 6, then back to the G string, fret 8. Then we'll play fret 5, hammering on to fret 8 on the G string. And then end on fret 6 of the G string. So that's. Next, we'll go up to fret 9 on the high E, and we'll play this. That was fret 9 on the high E, fret 11 on the B string, to fret 9. So that's. Next we'll play this. We started here on fret 11 of the B string, fret 9 on the high E, and fret 13 of the high E. Do that again. So that was. We'll follow that with. So we started on the B string again at fret 11, high E, fret 9, fret 11, slide up to fret 14, back down to 13, So the entire thing was. We'll finish with this. For this part, we'll start at fret 9 on the B string, sliding up to fret 11. And that's 2 notes. We'll go to fret 8 on the high E, 9, go to 11 and slide to 13. We'll use the middle finger to go back to fret 9 on the B string and slide up to 11 again. Then we'll land on the G string, fret 10, and play it again and hammer on to fret 11, and then end on fret 10. So again, that's. And that's our solo. That's how I play the solo to Little Red Corvette on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.